As a scaffolding supervisor, your role is paramount in maintaining a safe and productive work environment. You oversee the installation, maintenance, and dismantling of scaffolding, ensuring compliance with regulations and industry best practices. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. This course is for individuals responsible for overseeing scaffolding operations and how to manage scaffolding teams, ensure compliance with regulations, and maintain a secure work environment. 2. Target Audience. Individuals supervising scaffolding operations in construction, industrial maintenance, and building maintenance should take the Scaffolding Supervisor course. 3. Accreditations. Competency conducted in accordance with OSHA 1926.450 Subpart L, Scaffold Safety Standards. Regulations and approved codes of practice. Comprehensive knowledge. You must have a deep understanding of all relevant regulations, such as the work at height regulations and approved codes of practice. Ensuring compliance. Implementing and enforcing these guidelines is critical to protecting workers and preventing accidents on the job site. Continuous training. Staying up to date with the latest industry standards and best practices is essential for effective scaffolder supervision. Components. Tubes. Ensuring the proper selection, inspection, and maintenance of scaffolding tubes is a critical responsibility. Tubes are a critical component of scaffolding and it is vital to check for damage or wear. Boards. Selecting the right boards, ensuring they are in good condition, and proper installation is paramount. Boards are the platform on which workers stand, and the safety of workers is at stake if the boards are not selected and installed properly. Fittings. Correctly identifying, maintaining, and using the appropriate fittings is essential for safe scaffolding construction. Fittings connect the tubes and boards together, and they need to be strong and secure. Scaffold assembly. Planning. Carefully design the scaffold layout and ensure components are available. Erection. Assemble the scaffold according to manufacturer instructions and industry standards. Inspection. Verify the scaffold is stable, secure, and meets all safety requirements. Scaffold ties. Tie placement. Ensuring scaffold ties are properly positioned to provide adequate support and stability. Inspection. Regularly inspecting the condition and integrity of scaffold ties to identify any issues. Maintenance. Promptly addressing any damage or wear on the ties to maintain the scaffold structural integrity. Basic independent tied scaffold. Baseplate. Ensuring the scaffold is properly grounded and level through the use of sturdy baseplates. Bracing. Properly installing diagonal and horizontal bracing to provide structural integrity and stability. Guardrails. Implementing secure guardrails to prevent falls and protect workers at height. Access. Providing safe and reliable access to different scaffold levels through the use of ladders or stairways. Dismantling of scaffold. Inspect. Thoroughly inspect the scaffold for any damage or instability before beginning the dismantling process. Dismantle. Carefully remove the components in a systematic, controlled manner, ensuring worker safety. Store. Properly store the dismantled scaffold components for future use or disposal, as appropriate. Course curriculum. Regulations and approved codes of practice. Scaffolding terminology. Tubes, boards and fittings. Ladders/gin wheels and ropes. Scaffold ties/independent tied scaffold. Static tower. Basic independent tied scaffold. Scaffolds with prefabricated beams. Practical inspection/reports. Dismantling of scaffold.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.